Hello guys, good afternoon. In this video I will try just to highlight some industries and just to give you an idea that you should always search industries and sectors. You should search for an industry that it's going up in order to find what we call the leaders in each industry, and then you can decide to buy one or two of them. Okay, so here we are. It's just at random for me. It's just when I'm searching for stocks, I try just to search for industries and to just to go through them and to see if there is a possible industry that I will trade in, not invest but trade in, because I don't hold stocks for long. So this, for example, it's called cigarettes. It's the cigarettes index for industry. Now the this industry, let's say, which is the date here, it's from June last year. This sector this industry hasn't done that much, but if see here, now we can put this is the what we call the resistance. Now let's say this is the support. Okay, now this is the highest. It is like trading in a range. Okay, trading in a range from last year to this year. If this price here is going beyond this resistance here, this is just the industry, right? So I'm looking here to the whole industry. I'm not looking to a stock by itself. Now if the industry here, if the price goes beyond this point here, beyond this line, it means that there is a new beginning of a trend. So if it continues, it means that this is a beginning of a baby trend. Okay, because the trend, you don't see it until it leaves this line, and then you begin to see the trend like this. Okay, for example, here it goes here at the top and it go down, go down. So for me, this cigarette industry, I don't like it. It doesn't seem that it is good for me. It could take a long time to go. So for example, you see the stocks going down, down, down. So this stock is called RAI, which is a company. So it seems that it's beginning to do good. So we put the let's see, we put here the okay, we put the resistance and then we put support. It's very easy. Resistance and support are very easy, and it just show you where the price will go if possible. Okay, and it's the best strategy I use for years, and I make other videos about it, so you can just see it. So here it goes down. This is the price, 52.98, and now it's 50. If it goes beyond this price, which is 52.93, so I could buy this stock in the future. So now you can change. You go and you change any industry that you like. For example, let's go to another one. Health services, which is the sector. You can go to healthcare plans, and you click on it, the industry. Okay, so this, you see, how we buy these things like this the industry index, like an ETF or something. You just, in the past, you put the highest, you put a line. This is the what we call um, the resistance. Now through from last year in April, Wednesday 4th April, so this is the highest, then it doesn't show any other highs, then we have a breakout here, and then goes down, and this is what we call a false breakout. It means we think that it goes up, we buy some money here, but the stock on this to go down, it means it's not the true one. Now it goes up again, but this was the beginning of the thing. Now in this industry, from which month? From this April 22nd, we see the trend, and now from which day is this? From November, you see the big trend. But for us, like a swing trader, for me, I see this one here. Okay, this is my entry. I enter here. It's very easy. How do I enter here? I don't enter in. You say, for example, why I don't enter here? Because I don't like to enter from the bottom. Why? Because you don't know, maybe the stock will go down and down and down. So any industry that is going down, it means there is a problem. All the stocks there are losing money. So why you go to an industry that it is losing money? You should go to an industry that it is making money, that the price of the industry is going up like this. So if you see some stocks, you see all this, like 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, it does nothing. But beginning of this year, if you put like resistance here, okay, from like let's say from last year, 30th of March, it was 71. Now until, okay, let's bring this 71 here. Yeah, until April, it means nearly 1 year, the stock has done nothing. Okay, it goes down, 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 and then from this point here, what we are looking for, this is the big trend that begins right now. Okay, we have another one. You see, wow, that is too good. For me, I highlighted this before. This is the resistance. I can do it with blue in order to become good. And this, I put it like red, like resistance here. And whenever it goes up here, the trend begins. But you see that it is a very, very long trend. Some people, they began, it's always the line was here. Now it goes up. You change it here because this is the highest, this is the lowest, this is the lowest here. Okay, each time we have the stock goes down. When it stops and goes up again, you put a line. If it goes down again, it means the stock is heading down and it's not good to buy. Okay, when it goes up, you put a line. That's why using this resistance and support line is the best strategy. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. I have just seen two of the industry. There are a lot of industries, and you should take time in finding the industry. Now when you find the industry that's going up, like suppose like this one, it begins like it begins in April. Most of the time when industry goes up, it goes up for 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Okay, it's not just for 1 month or 2 or 3. So it means it's a long trend. And the big investors, some big investors, they buy here and they wait for years until the trend stops and go down. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and I will highlight that this, what does it mean that all these stocks go up? It means mutual funds are buying. The big hands, they are buying. That's why all the stocks go up.